up, world? Welcome back to another special edition of True Mix Masters Present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go with a moniker, aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender when bartending. This week we got another special edition. We're about to teach you how to make a creamsicle. Now we got our drink out the way. Let's go over the recipe that it takes to make a creamsicle. We got Pinnacle whipped vodka, orange juice, and ginger ale. Now let's make this bad boy. Recipe calls for 1 ounce of Pinnacle whipped vodka. And we're gonna fill this up with orange juice. And then we're gonna top it off with ginger ale. And that's how you make the perfect creamsicle. Thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters Present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to look us up on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friends.